Hello and welcome to Techtacular. I'm Christopher, and today I'm going to be showing you something a little different. So, in my computer builds that I list on video descriptions, I don't include an OS. And there's a reason for that. But a lot of people seem to think that I forget an OS or that I just don't include it to keep the price down. I don't include it to keep the price down, that's true. But the reason I do that is because you can get Windows legally for free through Microsoft. So I just wanted to show you guys how you do that today. This is only for students, just so you know. But seeing as my main demographic is students, according to YouTube statistics, I figured it would be good to show you guys how to do that in case you didn't know already. And for those of you who were wondering why I don't include an OS, this is why. There's also another way to get an OS for free if you're not a student, which is to download the Windows 10 beta, and I'll be showing that as well today. So let's jump into it here. So we're going to open up a new tab, and then we're going to go over to DreamSpark. So let's just search that here. Here we go. And then you're going to go up to the Students tab up here. And then you're going to go ahead and go over and you're going to sign up down at the bottom, or you're going to go, if you've already made an account, go over to Software Downloads. And you can see here we have a huge catalog of software from Microsoft that they provide to students for free. You have Visual Studio Pro, which is a $500 piece of software if you try and buy it new. You have Windows Server. You have certifications you can get. They give you everything. But what we're interested here is the Windows 8.1 download here. It's going to be called something a little different, but from experience, I can say that this is the exact same thing as Windows 8.1. There's a few differences, technicality-wise, and few included programs that Windows 8.1 doesn't usually have. But everyday function-wise, it is the exact same thing. So you're just going to go ahead and click Download here, and then you're going to have to run Microsoft Secure Download Manager. So let's go ahead and install that here. Alright, and as you can see, I've already installed this, but we're just going to go ahead and run through the setup process. And then you're going to download the second file, open that up, and here we go. You have two downloads. For most people, you're going to be downloading a 64-bit version, and as you can see here, I've already downloaded this for a couple computers, so it's not going to want me to do that again, but that's perfectly fine. So I think they probably give you 3 or 4 downloads before you actually run out. And I've been installing this for a while, and it works great. Bravo, Microsoft, for giving this away to students. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and look at how to download Windows 10. So we're just going to search for that here. And as you can see, Microsoft already has a website set up for it. So we're just going to go here. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom here. Windows Insider Program. So click that. And that's going to take us to the Insider page. Get started. And you're going to select PC, of course, since we are not using a phone right now. Okay, so this is a warning here. You want to pay attention to this. But at the same time, I've been using the Windows 10 beta as my daily OS since the first build came out. Sorry, it's not a beta. It's a technical preview, which is actually pre-beta. But I've been using this since the first build came out. There have been some problems with it. All of the apps, the Metro apps, or modern apps as they're technically called, didn't work for me for a period of time before I reinstalled. So you may run into problems. But as a daily driver, I don't use modern apps a whole lot. And as a daily driver, it's functioned fine for me. But there is the risk of data loss. So guys, if you do install this, please, please, please back up your computers regularly. But as you can see here, it's not going to let me install it because I've already installed it. But there we are. That's how you get Windows for free. And this is why I do not include Windows as part of the cost of my builds. If Windows is a cost for you, that you can get it for, you know, $50 to $100 depending on where you buy it. Or you can even go get a cheap old laptop and get the... Alright guys, that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you like it, dislike it if you disliked it. If you disliked it, why did you dislike it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more of this kind of video where I give you tips and tricks for using your PC or getting the most out of your gaming PC, let me know. Or if you just want to see pure gaming videos, let me know that too. Thanks for watching, guys.